In this video, I'm going to show you a brief overview of your linking strategy map. The first page is the overview page that shows you the product that you ran, in this case, the linking strategy map, the name that you gave your project, and tells you that it is a comprehensive linking strategy. It shows you the source URL and the date that you generated this information on. As a reminder, to understand your Orchard ecosystem framework, we've included a short informational text on pages 2 and 3 to remind you where these pieces fit into your ecosystem. Please note that the linking strategy map is only one small part of creating your digital ecosystem. This gives you an overview on how your links fit into that ecosystem, but it does not give you all of the information to create your ecosystem. As you can see, as you go through each item in your ecosystem, it will give you a brief educational piece, as well as the actual content that it pulled from the page that you ran in your strategy map. Then it will give you tips on how to implement those items. On the last page of the linking strategy map, you'll note the Clemelopy's GEO Blueprint coming soon information. This is going to be a comprehensive guide that walks you through every piece of the puzzle in creating your digital ecosystem. If you'd like to sign up for the waitlist, you can click Explore the GEO Blueprint and it will take you to the waitlist sign up page. And that's it. That's your linking strategy map.